Welcome to an unboxing video of the LG G6 Plus. This is a black model, as you can see, the black box and the black phone. It is a 128 gigabyte storage device, and it looks like a premium device. As you can see right here, it has a glass back, glass aluminum back, and aluminum casing throughout, and a front Gorilla Glass, and it's almost bezel free. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. So there's a couple of ways to turn it on. There's a knock on feature, so if you double tap, it turns on, and there's a fingerprint reader on the back. You can put your finger on there once you activate your security feature with a fingerprint scanner. So I'm going to put my finger right on the back, and voila, it opens right into your screen. It's really quick. To be honest, it's one of the quickest fingerprint always-on scanners out there. The phone also boasts a dual camera with a dual LED flash. It's running at 13 megapixels, and it lets you shoot both wide range, wide angle, and the pictures close-up are really good as well. So, a couple of things that I noticed about this phone. So when the screen is off, it does not show you any notification LED lighting. That was a big turn off for me after I started using this phone a little bit. I have grown used to my Samsung Galaxy S5, which I'm using to shoot this video, and the Samsung features multicolor LED light. Unfortunately, this device does not come with that LED option at all. So there is no LED up top here. So initially, once you start using this phone, you'll notice that you probably won't have an app drawer like this one I have right here. So to get the app drawer, what I had to do was I went into my settings. I'm going to put the phone down here. I went to settings right there, and you go into display, into home, into home screen, and you select home. Now once you select home, you might either have this option that says home and app drawer. If you don't have that option, I recommend you go ahead to the App Store and download a launcher like Nova Launcher, or perhaps a Google Launcher. And once you download it, you'll automatically get an option that says download home and app drawer here. You'll also see the new launcher that you downloaded, but to trigger the download of the home and app drawer, you would have to download a third-party app such as Google Launcher or Nova Launcher, and then you'll be able to download the home and app drawer. So I went ahead and downloaded the Google Launcher, and then I uninstalled it, and then I had this option show up, and I installed my home and app drawer. So I'm not a big fan of using third-party apps on my phone, so I'm able to use the LG's home and app drawer here. So that's how I got the home and app drawer. Now the phone comes with a lot of bloatware, as I like to call it, because there's a lot of Amazon apps that it comes with, because it's an Amazon exclusive LG G6 Plus. It came at around $460, which is a pretty good deal right now for actually a flagship smartphone. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked what you saw, please show your support by hitting that like button. And if you want to see more of these kind of amazing videos, please hit that subscribe button. And as always, stay tuned for more.